Have you ever forgotten about a plant before? Wow, looks like we really forgot about this one. So stay tuned as we try to save it. As you can see, the roots are super dehydrated and very crunchy. I even tried smacking it with a shovel, nothing happened. The first thing to do is let it soak in water for 15 to 20 minutes to rehydrate those roots. And then after that, we removed the dead leaves and gave it a new pot and soil, and it's looking better than ever. Here we have 3 orchids to help you determine when to water your plant. These roots are a vibrant green, so there's no need to water. Slightly green, so wait a few days. These are silver, so it's time to water. So you're going to take your pot and fill it with room temperature distilled water. Next, let your dehydrated orchids soak in the water for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't get the leaves or stem wet, as this can cause rot. As you can see here, the roots are rehydrated and ready to go until your next watering. Lastly, make sure your roots completely drain. Hello everyone, this is how we propagate our succulents. Start by gently removing the pieces of the succulents you want to propagate. Make sure not to rip any of them or they won't be able to grow roots. Fill a shallow tray with some cactus mix and then begin placing the succulent pieces right on top. Give them a good misting, and we like to use supplemental light because we don't have a lot of sun, so we use our Mars Hydro, which works really well. After putting them in a warm, bright spot, they should start to grow roots like this, and then in a few weeks they should be baby succulents like this. Bye! Hello everybody, this is how we clean our plants. In our cleaner we have water, hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, a little bit of neem oil, a little bit of peppermint oil, and then shake it on up. We spray the plants down thoroughly and make sure we get the tops and bottoms of the leaves. Let that sit for a few minutes, then thoroughly rinse it with a shower. Then we spray it with diluted neem oil and let it dry. We repeat the process, spraying with cleaner, rinsing with water, and then spraying with neem oil, and then we enjoy our clean, happy plants. Bye! Let's talk about different plant pots. Ceramic pots are better for plants that like more moisture, and drainage hole is key. Plastic pots are affordable and lightweight, which makes them great for larger plants. They're also great for planting your propagation cuttings. Terracotta pots are our favorite because they allow better drainage, and they also allow the roots to breathe. Today we're going to talk about soil health. If your soil looks like this, it is too compact and the roots cannot grow happily. Take a stick or skewer and start stabbing the dirt repeatedly. This kind of loosens the dirt up and allows water and air to get to those roots. And also use your water meter to aerate the soil as well. Make sure your soil always looks loose and fluffy like this. This is how we mix our potting soil. Start with 2 parts potting soil. Ours has peat, compost, and perlite. Add 1 part of orchid bark, 2 parts of perlite, and if you want more drainage, then you can add more. Lastly, we add a bit of charcoal to help fight bacteria. Then you can mix all the ingredients together and begin planting. We hope you enjoyed. Bye!
Did you know fungus gnats can lay 100 to 150 eggs in your soil? It's gross, so let's get rid of them. 1 part hydrogen peroxide. Add that to your watering cup. Next, you'll want 4 parts water. Now what you're going to do with this is you're going to water your plant with it. What happens is when the larva gets in contact with hydrogen peroxide, the larva dies. And just like that, you'll be living gnat-free.